Set 17, it's measure 65 through 72 and it's 24 counts. You're going to do a golf swing on 1, 2, 3 with a back scratch on 4, 5, 6. Tour turn over the left shoulder to face front on 7, 8, 9. Open your legs to second on lunge on 10, 11 and thread the needle on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're going to grab it at this port position on count 17. Then you're going to release it on 18, bringing the right foot in and catch it on 23. Then you're going to bring the rifle down on 24 as you open the right leg. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6, 1, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 3. Set 18 is measure 73 through 78 and it's 18 counts. You're going to turn over the left shoulder on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle the rifle on 7, 8, 9. Flip it up on 10, 11, 12. You do a back scratch on 3rd, 4th, 5th. And then a single toss on 16, 17, 18. Now watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Set 19 is measure 79 through 85 and it's 21 counts. You're going to do a flag spin on 1 through 6, and then you're going to unwind it on count 7, 8, 9. Then you're going to turn over the left shoulder on 10, 11, 12. You're going to come up on 13, and then turn over the right shoulder to face the front, bringing the rifle to flat with a saute in the right leg on 14 through 21. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Set 20, it's measures 86 through 89 and it's 12 counts. You're going to circle the rifle to vertical on 1 through 6, grab it on 7, then you're going to flip it out on 8, 9, and then you're going to bring it to flat on 10, 11, 12. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set 21, it measures 90 through 92 and it's 9 counts. You're going to turn over the left shoulder on 1, 2, 3, do a horizontal spin on 4, 5, 6, then you're going to open to a bottom angle on 7, 8, 9. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set 22, it measures 93 through 96 and it's 12 counts. You're going to do a figure 8 toward end zone 2 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, circle in front on 7, 8, 9, and then a tour jump over the left shoulder on 10, 11, 12 as you bring the rifle in. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set 23, it measures 97 through 100 and is 12 counts. You're going to push the gun forward on 1 and flip the nose down on 2, 3. Then you're going to flip catch on 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to pop it up on 7, 8, 9. Swing it up on 10, 11, and pull it in on 12. Now let's watch as Raymond does this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set 24, it measures 101 through 104 and it's 12 counts. You're going to carve the rifle up on 1, 2, 3 and then carve it down on 4, 5, 6. You're going to lift it up on 7 and do a palm roll on 8, 9, 10, then bring it down to a bottom angle on 11, 12. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set 25, it measures 105 through 111 and it's 21 counts. You're going to pull it into cradle on 1, 2, 3, then you're going to circle it into a vertical position on 4, 5, 6. You're going to release it on 7, and then you catch it on 10. You're going to hold 11, 12, and then we're going to start a ripple, starting from left to right. It's just going to be a flat toss on every count, and we'll demonstrate what it's going to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and that's all it is. And again, that's going to go from the left side to the right side. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set 26, it measures 112 to 113 and it's 6 counts. The first thing you do is you're going to roll to your knees on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now before we do this to counts, we're going to look at the full series of 6s. So let's look at the next one, which is set 27, measures 114 to 115. Now you're going to lay back and bring the rifle to the other side of the body, underneath the legs, and that's a 6 counts. Now the next 6 is set 29, is measures 118 to 119. You're going to roll over to your stomach on 1, 2, 3, then roll to your back on 4, 5, 6. And I said that wrong. That was actually set 28, measures 116 to 117 for 6 counts. Now set 29 measures 118 to 119. You prep for a pelvis lift on 1, 2, 3, and then lift your body up on 4, 5, 6. Now we'll watch as we do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set 30, it measures 120 through 125 and it's 18 counts. You're going to swing the arms back on 1, 2, 3, bring it flat over your head on 4, hold 5, 6, bring it down to your waist on 7, hold 8, 9. Carve it up and back down on 10, 11, 12, then lift it over your head on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then bring it down quickly on 18. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Set 31, it measures 126 to 129 and it's 12 counts. You're going to turn over the left shoulder on 1, 2, 3. You're going to move to your spot with the gun flat on 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to bring it down and lift your legs on 7, 8, 9. and then turn the left shoulder 10, 11, 12. Now let's watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Set 32, it measures 130 through 135 and it's 16 counts. You're going to pop the rifle up on 1, 2, 3, turn over the right shoulder to face the back and bring your hands into a flat right hand position on 4, 5, 6. Do a pas de chat turn to the front on 7, 8, 9. Chaîné turn on 10, 11, 12. And then push the rifle up on 13 and then circle it to the shoulders and present the free arm on 14, 15, 16. Now we'll watch Raymond do this to counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this ends your second movement.